officials introduce me. We flew them all the way from California. Now they can't check out anytime they like from here. Welcome to Taking 5, this show where I've tried to keep it under 5 minutes and I failed miserably. It's either my fault for asking too many questions or the fault of everybody who's a guest because they're so interesting. But today's a little different. It'll be a little bit more than 5 minutes, we know that already, because this is our first virtual open house. Some things have been a little bit different about the world, from grocery store aisles to dentist appointments, and it even goes all the way to open houses. We had to reimagine how can we have a successful, safe, open house. And so I'm like, what better way than to use this medium that's worked so successfully and so much fun. So I'm really excited today to introduce our 3 guests who have already sat in these seats before in other interviews, and those videos are on YouTube, so check those out. We have our head of school, Cecil Stodchill, our director of admissions, Karen Teich, and our college counselor, Kathleen Bracken. But we have 3 seats and 3 people, so my job is done. I am not here to interview any of them, but we will have the messages up on the Facebook Live. If you have questions for our speakers, ask them, and I will be able to deliver them. And if we have too many, I'll respond to you after the open house. So without further ado, I'll bring in my 3 guests. Guess we won't need my question cards, or my pen, or my mic. Good luck, guys.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction. It is wonderful to be here. Thank you all so much for joining us today. My name is Cecil Stodchill. I serve proudly as the head of school here at the Stewart School. Folks often ask me, what is Stewart? Who's Stewart built for? I love to tell folks that we are an early childhood through 12th grade co-educational, college preparatory school here in the Capital Region. I feel that we are unique in the sense that no school is the one size fits all. But I do feel that here at Stewart, for that student who is looking for a passion pursuit, Stewart's the place to be. For that student who's looking to find their own place, Stewart's the place to be. For that student who's looking for academic rigor, for that student who's looking for cultural competency, for that student who is truly looking for their place, looking for their voice, I feel that Stewart is the place for them. We used a model with regard to academic differentiation. We use terms such as cultural awareness, such as inclusion. That's who we are. We have a scaffolded academic model, so everything that happens in kindergarten affects what happens to you in grade 12. And that's what makes us one of the best educational communities in the area. We were very fortunate to open our doors back in September to 90% of our students being here in person on our campus. Our faculty has done a tremendous job. Our COVID response team has done wonders to help open our doors safely, but more so keep us safe and healthy during these trying times. The best thing that you can do is come see us, visit our website. Learn for yourself who we are and how we may fit for you and your family. Don't judge whether Stewart is the best school in the area. Judge whether Stewart is the best fit for you and your family.
Talking about faith, fit is a good way to also talk about college counseling. So I'm Kathleen Bracken, I'm the college counselor here. I've been at Stewart since 2005, and it's really my privilege to be able to work with the students and their families here. I see my role as having three parts that are distinct but also have to function together. And the first, to touch upon what Cecil said, is thinking about fit. I think the most important thing for students to do is some self-reflection. So ask themselves some questions before they start to look at colleges and say, what kind of environment is going to be the best match for who I am as a student? Are there certain activities that I have to pursue at college? What kind of a classroom setting works best for me? Do I need something that's very hands-on? Would I prefer a lecture style class? Would I prefer to be around a seminar table and very interactive with my professors? I think students are going to be successful in the process if they start by asking those questions. And at Stewart, I try to help students do that with both formal meetings that I schedule with them and their parents, but it also happens informally, just in the environment that Stewart is, because this is a pretty safe place to try new things and test out ideas and learn about who you are. It's a place where it's safe to take risks. I also want to provide opportunities for students to really learn about what their options are for college. When we're not in a pandemic, I lead an overnight trip to visit 6 different schools every summer. And this is a great way for students to get exposed to a really wide variety of institutions. I very intentionally schedule a trip that sees schools that are very different from each other. And so that's a great way for students to think about, okay, this is the difference between a liberal arts college and a public research university. I also host college admission representatives. So every year I have about 100 schools that come to our campus and meet with students. This year, because we pivoted to virtual, so whether students are nesters, as we call them, and participating from home, or whether they're joining the conversation from my office, this is a great way for them to start learning with a very low time commitment about a lot of different schools and start to think about what sounds appealing, what questions do I have. So that's really a great opportunity for all of our students. And I will brag, we have 32 seniors in our senior class, and 100 colleges are coming to recruit them. That's pretty awesome, and it says a lot about the kind of students that we have. And then finally, I'm just able to be very hands-on in the college process. I'm able to form a personal relationship with every student and their parents. I'm able to proofread every single application before it goes out of Stewart. I'm able to read every essay, every recommendation letter to make sure that everything is perfect. So there is just a lot of support and a lot of one-on-one attention that I can provide because we're so small. But before we get you out of Stewart and into college, I bet Karen probably wants to say something about admissions and how you come into the school.
Thank you, Kathleen. And actually, Cecil hit on it, and so did Kathleen. Kathleen will work with our high school kids to help them find the right fit college for them. And my job is to help you come into the school and determine whether or not Stewart is a good fit for not only for your child but for your family. So we are often refer to ourselves as Stewart is the family of families, and we as a family want to get to know your family and welcome your family into the fold. And you determine whether or not Stewart is a good fit by doing exactly what Cecil said, and that is going to our website, checking it out, explore, look around, read about the different things that we offer, and if it feels like something that you're interested in, or if you hear something this evening that you're interested in, find the green button. There's a green button almost on every page that'll ask you if you want to schedule a tour or learn more about Stewart. You hit that button, you fill out a very short form to give us some basic information, and then one of us, most likely myself, will get in touch with you and start the ball rolling. And again, my job is to serve you. My job is to help you through the process, to answer as many questions as I can for you. And if I can't answer the question, I'll find the information for you. But we want you to be really informed and be able to make that decision as to whether or not you feel Stewart is a good fit for your child and your family.
I actually do have a question that somebody just texted me. At the school my children attend, their policy for learning from home versus in class is very rigid. We have to make a decision by Thanksgiving for the rest of the year. What is Doane Stewart's policy in regard to decision-making about keeping kids home or in the classroom?
I'll take that one. The entire COVID situation has been fluid, and our reopening plan remains fluid as well. We want to give as much flexibility to our families and to our students to find that best or that right fit situation for them to where they learn best. Some students during this time feel that they're learning best or feel more comfortable at home. Some want to be here in the building. Though we're not a swinging door for students to come back and forth, we are allowing families and students to make those determinations with enough lead time. Typically, it's about 2 weeks that we ask families, if you choose, if you'd like to come into the building to start your learning, we can do that. Give us 2 weeks so we can put all the logistics in place to host that student here in the building. If the student or family feels for whatever reason that they need to study from home, we can make that happen too with that lead time. So we understand just as fluid as the situation is with the COVID pandemic, we want to be fluid and flexible with families and students as well.
I actually just got 2, and they were the same. Simple. We have children in public schools, but due to how things have been handled with reopening, we're considering other options, such as an independent school. Is it too late to enroll? It's already October. And to add the other question that we just got was, has the admission process changed with touring?
Okay, that's right up my alleyway. So it's not too late, and you're not alone. We have been fielding questions since we've had a very active admission season in the summer, and it just kept rolling right into September. And as Cecil mentioned again, it's a fluid time for all of us. It's all of our first rodeo going through the school year during these unprecedented times. But Doane Stewart has always had an open enrollment policy. So that means that any time throughout the year, you can start the process of admission and enroll your student, your child. And certainly, we've been hearing a lot lately and still from a lot of folks in the public school system, simply because at this time, we understand that you're all, it may feel like it's late in the game, in the school year has already begun, but you're all just kind of getting a good feel for what it's going to be like for your student at home this year right now, and maybe you want something different, so you want to go out and explore different options, and so we are so open to that. Jackie mentioned touring, so our touring has changed a little bit here at Doane Stewart. It hasn't changed in the fact that we are touring, and we are touring in person, but it has changed in the fact that we've put some protocols for safety and health in place so that we can accept you here for tours. In advance, you'll receive a health form, and we'll ask you to fill out that survey and send it in before you come in. But you'll receive a whole email of information on what to expect when you come to our building for a tour. But that definitely has changed a little bit. You would be the only family touring. We tour one family at a time. We all wear a mask. You fill out the health form. You sit in this is actually not, and you can learn about us, and I'll show you the whole building. And it's a big building. It's a beautiful building, and there's a lot. We have a lot to offer here, and I hope that you continue to take interest and pursue that interest here.
I'd like to close up with the fact that we understand that you have a choice. What we want to do is make sure that we're giving your family educational options. If your child is looking to join a club, if your child is looking to study Japanese, if your child is looking to join an athletic team, if you're interested in the fine arts, if you're interested in travel abroad, you You can find that here at Down Stewart. This is an inclusive community with an academic differentiation platform that's set up for that above average to high achieving student. I want to thank you all for joining us today. The key to finding the just right fit place for you is to put your feet on the campus. Go to our website, give us a call, reach out to us. don'tstewart.org, fill out the information form. We'll be in touch with you. We cannot wait to see you here at Down Stewart. Thank you.